What's going on, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis. We're doing a quick unboxing of my newly purchased JLab Flex Open Wireless Earbuds. Purchased this today at Target. It's Black Friday sales going on for pretty much the last 2 weeks. Got it for half price. It's normally $49.99. Got it for $24.99 on Amazon. It's also, I'll put the links below. It's also going for a price of $24.99. Everything is 50% off. So if you want to go get this, there was only 2 left in the store when I went to Target. Pretty limited space, pretty limited quantity of this on the shelves. So it's probably best if you're looking for open ear headphones, which don't expect a lot of bass from them because they don't have the noise canceling capability for regular in-ear earbuds or over-the-head headphones. Just expect it to be more so able to jog or do any type of sports or any type of activities with the ability of hearing what's going on around you. You're not totally isolated and closed off from the rest of the world. So let's go ahead, hurry up and get into this unboxing. I'm at work, trying to get this done. I'm going to show you a comparison to my other video of what I'm using this right now to record with and listen to, my Soundcore Liberty 4, and I will compare them as far as size as soon as I open this box. So because I'm an absolute savage, the box was ripped open, and here I go. And this is the device right here. Let me get rid of the collateral damage. Here's what comes in the box. Of course, we got the quick starter's guide. If you don't have one of these, or there's no reason why the box shouldn't come with one, but if you don't, there's also quick little videos online on how to use this device. I'll go ahead and take it out so you can see the size. Of course, it's gonna have a C charging port, small one. Let me see if that's a C. That should be a C. And yes, it is also a C charging port for fast charging. These are open ear earbuds. So they have the JLab symbol on the top. I had probably about 2 or 3 pairs of JLab earbuds. Definitely not bad quality, more on the lower end as far as price is concerned. We're gonna go ahead and I'm just showing you this product so you can see how it looks. If you're on the fence on a purchasing decision, I'm here to help you figure that out. In comparison to other open ear earbuds like the Soundcore C30s or the Soundcore C40s, this is a little bit more flexible when it comes to that. And this is the device right here. I'm gonna go ahead, put it in the ear and check out the product a little bit more to give you guys a better understanding, more so not necessarily a review, but like a little idea of what it is that you're getting into. As you can see right here, in the back is the charging port to put the C port in, and it's a pretty basic setup in comparison to the Soundcores, which I'm using right now to record this video with. You can see the size. This fits in your pocket perfectly. Very small, doesn't take up any space. On ear, we'll test everything out. I'll show you in comparison to what the Soundcore size of headphones are, the in-ear earbuds, and of course the open ear earbuds right here, so you can see the difference. So because I didn't set this up yet with my phone because we just unboxed it, I will end the video now, well, this portion of the video now, in order so I can set this up and see how it looks, and see how it fits in the ear so you guys get a better understanding. All right. So as I mess with this a little bit more, I see it has a lot of flexibility, more flexibility than the other open ear headphones have. Sorry for a little bit out of focus. One thing I'm not really a fan of is the fact that it doesn't really have a distinction of which one is the left or right. And this comes in the second color. Teal is the next color. And I'm not sure if it says it on the teal which one is the left and right, but let me see. Sorry if it's a little bit out of focus. It's kind of pissing me off on which one is the left and which one is the right. It doesn't say it anywhere on here, so I guess it's more so a unisex type thing where it could either or could go in either ear. And because it is an open earbud, so let's see how it goes. So I want to correct myself because I was wrong previously. So this is how it looks in the ear. It's definitely looking more so like an earring. I want to correct myself. I did find that it does have distinct left and right marks on it to let us know which one is the right ear and the left ear. Let me show you. And I'm filming the second half of this video with the sound of the headphones. So this is the actual headphone itself, the audio from it. So it does have, it does have it right here in the inner part of the, let me see if I can flex that a little bit. On the inside right there, it has, this one is the left ear, has a big L right there. You see it? So that's the part that sits behind the ear, and this part right here is the actual speaker itself. So as you see right here in the ear, it looks nice. I don't know if I let you guys know, but it does come in the second color. Teal is the color. And I went with black because it matches my jewelry aesthetics of all black jewelry. So with it looking more so like an earring, it's kind of not bad. Like the fit, had a little bit of flexibility to it. I don't know if you've seen that when I took it out. It's kind of flexible. So in comparison to a competitor, which would be the Soundcore C30s and the C40s, the C30 is a hard plastic, and I believe the C40 is more so of a similar material of what this the JLabs are. So it has. But in conclusion, this is how it looks in the ear. Well, yeah, over the ear. And yeah, that's it. That's the JLab, the Flex open earbuds, and listen tonight to some videos and stuff, and gonna probably do a phone call too to hear how it sounds. The audio, this video is recorded. The second half of the video is recorded with the audio of the JLab, so you can hear how it sounds a little bit, and as you can see, the look. So I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis. This was another unboxing and review. Talk to you later. Peace.